Samantha had always thought her family's home was ordinary, nothing special. Nestled in a quiet neighborhood, it was a cozy two-story house with a white picket fence and a well-kept garden. Yet, as she wandered the dusty attic one afternoon, something unusual caught her eye. In the far corner, beneath a pile of forgotten boxes, she noticed a narrow trapdoor hidden under the floorboards. Curiosity piqued, she knelt down and pulled it open. The small stairwell that lay beneath led to a dim, musty tunnel. The walls were lined with stone, and a faint, cool breeze seemed to whisper from deep within. Heart racing, Samantha descended cautiously, her flashlight cutting through the darkness. The tunnel stretched far longer than she expected, twisting and turning beneath the earth. She couldn't shake the feeling that she was trespassing, that something was waiting for her. After what felt like an eternity, the tunnel finally opened up into a hidden room. The walls were lined with old bookshelves filled with strange, leather-bound volumes. In the center of the room, an old desk sat surrounded by dusty papers and journals. As Samantha skimmed through the documents, her hands trembled. The record spoke of forbidden rituals and secret societies, her family's name mentioned repeatedly.